guys, welcome back to my channel. We're already in my favorite season, which is fall and winter coming up. So to start the fall makeup tutorials, I went ahead and created this warm brown half cut crease look, which is so pretty, and you can wear it during the day or during the night, and it just speaks fall to me. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, just please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is filling out my eyebrows with the Benefit Precisely brow pencil. So I'm going to just start by brushing my eyebrows upwards. And this is going to be different than my eyebrow tutorial I have, because on the eyebrow tutorial I use a brow pomade, but I also love to use pencils. I feel like using a pencil you could control more how dark you want your eyebrow, or it helps you not go overboard, because the pomade you could go very dark super fast. So I do the same thing. I start by lining my eyebrow on the bottom, and then on the top, and then I'm just going to take the other end and brush a product through. And then towards the front of my brow, I just make sure to brush it really good. So I'm just going to darken my eyebrow, mostly towards the end of it. Just with a very light hand. And then with the very light hand as well, go upwards. And then just brush the product through again. And then I'm just going to clean it up with some concealer. And again, I just follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. I just think like you have to take your time with your eyebrows, because they shape your face so much. And like, you want bomb ass eyebrows, so just take your time when you're cleaning it up. And then I just drag out the concealer with my finger. So this is one eyebrow all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow and I'll be right back. So I have both of my eyebrows all done, and the shade that I use for the pencil is shade number 5. So to prep my eyelids, I'm gonna go ahead and use the P. Louise base. And then with my finger, I just go ahead and dab it in a little bit more and diffuse the edges. And then with a sponge and whatever translucent powder or whatever light powder you have, just very lightly, I like to set it in. So for the eyes today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. And these are the shades. It's a very beautiful palette that gives you like fall vibes. So first, I'm going to be taking the shade Bare. And this is going to be my transition color. So first, I'm tapping it in. mostly on the outer corner. And then I'm gonna drag it all across my eyelid. And then I'm just doing circular motions and really blending it. And then with another brush, I'm gonna be taking the shade Define Me and focus on more on the crease and outer corner. And this is a orange tone eyeshadow, so it's going to start warming up the look. And then I'm gonna go back with the other brush and blend them together, especially at the top. And then with another clean brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Vivid, and this is really going to add the orange tone to the look. And this is the Morphe M573, so it's a pointy brush, which is going to allow me to get into the crease really precisely. So I hadn't uploaded because I do go to school and then I just get busy, so I just have to like find a schedule that works with me and what days are best for me to film. But it's finally fall, which is like my favorite season, so I want to create a lot of looks for you guys. And now like I'm just blending it in. I'm not really putting any more color to it. And then I'm really taking it out on the outer corner because I'm not going to do an eyeliner today. Before I was really into like wing liner, but I have been into looks without an eyeliner recently. I just feel like your eyes look more open and it saves time, because we all know eyeliner takes so long to make it look perfect. So I've been going with the no eyeliner looks and I'm loving them. So I'm gonna take the first brush that I use as well to blend it all in. So the next shade I'm going to be using is the shade Stroke, which is the brown shade, and with this I'm going to really emphasize the outer corner and the crease. So I'm just tapping it in at the outer corner. And then lightly drag it into your crease. And I'm using the Morphe M456 brush, which is a little tiny brush like this, and it's pointy, so it's easy to just add some color where you want it and it doesn't go all over. So actually that brown didn't darken it up like I wanted to, so I'm taking the shade Expression, and make sure to tap your brush so that you could get rid of the excess, or else you'll end up putting too much product and it'll be too dark and really hard to blend. So see how this one is darker and you could see the difference? It emphasizes the outer corner and the crease, which is what I wanted. And then I'm just taking the brush that I used to put the shade Vivid on, but I'm not putting any more product, I'm just blending them together. So now what I'm going to do is take the P. Louise base again to cut the crease a little bit. And then I'm just going to cut my crease, but halfway through. So then with my finger, I just go ahead and tap in the product. And then towards the end, I also blend it with my finger. And then with the flat brush, take a light shade. It could be like your face powder or just any lighter powder. The palette actually doesn't have a light shade, so. And set the crease in place. And then I'm taking this small brush, which is the Morphe M506. And I'm taking the shade Vivid, which is the orange shade, to blend the outer part of the cut crease together. So just tap it in lightly. And then just blend it with the brown shade. So do you guys like fall and winter? Because that is my favorite season. I just more of like a fall girl. I love the colors, I love the makeup looks, I love the clothes, I love to wear boots, I love coats and just feeling cozy. And I just love the holidays that come during this time. It gets like my mood boost up, and I'm just happy that it's finally here. So with this shade, I'm just taking it to like halfway, but just very lightly. I'm putting like the most intense right here, and then for it to just fade lightly. So that's why I'm really taking my time. So I'm just taking the shade Espresso to bring back the dark color in the outer corner and in the crease. And then I'm just going to blend it one last time. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline gel eyeliner in Blackest Black, and I'm just putting eyeliner so that the lash band can blend in, but I'm not going to wing it out. So just a thin line and bring it all the way to the edge of your eye. If you want, you could do a wing eyeliner, it'll still look really pretty. So you should have something like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. So I just finished doing my face and the other eye off camera. All I have to do is finish the under eye, and for that I'm gonna start with the shade Vivid. I'm gonna just go ahead and blend it under my lower eyelashes and close to the waterline. And then with the smaller brush, I'm taking the shade Expression and putting it really close to the waterline. And blend it down with the other shade. And now I'm gonna put some highlight on the inner corner. And on my brow bone. So I'm just blending the highlight and the eyeshadow real quick together. And then I'm going to be setting my eyebrows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And just brushing them up and through. So for eyelashes, I popped on some Lilly lashes in the style Chicago, and I also went ahead and took this ColourPop eyeliner in the shade Get Paid, which is like a really warm bronzy shade. For lips, I'm taking the ColourPop lip liner in the shade Curvy. And for lipstick, I'm going to take the Too Faced Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. And then I'm I'm gonna top it off with the Too Faced gloss in the shade Hopeless Romantic. I was forgetting to put mascara to my lower eyelashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now set your makeup. So this is the finished look. And thank you guys so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe down below and give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below of what else you guys would want to see. I asked on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see, if colorful rainbow like looks or fall looks, and a lot of people say fall looks. So also let me know here on YouTube down below. Comment if you guys want to see like colorful rainbow looks or fall looks as well. So once again, thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.